guys and girls, in this video we'll explore where your hat, scarf, or turban should be placed, on or over your ears. This is a question that many people wonder. What's the best way? Hairstylist Linda Norris Clifford has written a blog post about how to position your headwear either over or across your ears to flatter your face in the best way possible. I'm going to provide a link to her blog post in the video description box below. Using a pencil or the tail of a long comb, like a rat tail comb, hold it in a horizontal line from the top of your ear going towards your eye. Now don't slant it up or down, and of course don't poke yourself in the eye. It may be helpful to have someone help you do this. Once you have the pencil in position, you'll be able to tell where the line from the top of your ear comes to your eye. If the pencil comes above the corner of your eye or below the corner of your eye, a hat or turban looks best when partially covering your ears. If the pencil rests exactly at the corner of your eye, this means that the ear is balanced perfectly with your eye, and hats and turbans should sit above the ear. With the pencil or comb tail lying across the bridge of your nose in front of your eyes, check to see if the eye line is above or below the ear. If the eye line is above or below your ear, you can still wear a hat, turban, or other headwear. Just make sure that the turban is placed in line with the corner of your eye area to give you a complete balance. Complete balance gives your face the most flattering look with any type of headwear. Try this method and see for yourself. I'd love to hear your experience with this in the comments below. If you're interested in purchasing a turban hat by Turban Diva, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry the Turban Diva line of hats, headbands, and more matching sets in a variety of colors. They have great customer service and fast shipping. Well, thank you so much for watching my video on how to wear turban hats for the most flattering look. Take care. Bye-bye.